In today's connected riding world, convenience and safety go hand in hand. Motorcycle CarPlay and Android Auto screens bring navigation, music, and calls directly to your handlebars. No distractions, no hassle. These smart displays are waterproof, glove-friendly, and designed for all-day visibility, providing riders with seamless, phone-free control. Here are the best motorcycle CarPlay and Android Auto screens that turn any ride into a smarter, safer experience. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best motorcycle CarPlay and Android Auto screens and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 5. LBW Premium Motorcycle Dashcam DVR. The LBW Premium Motorcycle Dashcam DVR stands out as a multi-purpose riding companion that combines entertainment, safety, and navigation into one waterproof package. Featuring a bright 5.5-inch IPS touchscreen rated IP66, it supports both wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing seamless access to navigation, music, and calls without the need for cables. Its dual HD cameras record front and rear footage simultaneously, doubling as a dashcam for safety and insurance purposes. The interface is fluid, and the included mounting kit makes installation relatively simple on a wide variety of bikes. Bluetooth connectivity allows integration with most helmets and headsets, while Wi-Fi transfer makes downloading video files straightforward. The system's GPS function is accurate, and video clarity remains sharp even during night rides thanks to the wide-angle lens. Some riders may find the screen a bit small for map-heavy navigation, but its compact form ensures minimal handlebar clutter. Build quality is solid, with rubberized ports and reinforced connectors providing protection against rain and dust. Overall, the LBW Premium Motorcycle Dashcam DVR offers tremendous value for its dual-function versatility. Whether you're recording scenic rides or following GPS directions through Android Auto, it delivers reliable performance in nearly all weather conditions. It's not just a display, it's a comprehensive motorcycle smart hub. Number 4. Wansidary W722 Motorcycle CarPlay and Android Auto System. The Wansidary W722 is one of the most polished 7-inch Android Auto and CarPlay motorcycle displays available on Amazon. Its large HD touchscreen provides excellent daylight visibility, enhanced by a built-in light sensor that automatically adjusts brightness for different riding conditions. The interface feels fast and modern, with wireless Android Auto and CarPlay connectivity working smoothly once paired. The unit is IP67 waterproof and features dual Bluetooth connections, one for your phone and another for your helmet headset, so riders can take calls, play music, or use navigation entirely hands-free. The sturdy aluminum bracket system makes mounting secure, while the detachable design allows easy removal when parked. The touchscreen remains responsive even with light gloves, which is a major plus for long rides. Performance is consistently smooth and lag is minimal. Sound quality through connected Bluetooth headsets is clear, and navigation via Google Maps or Waze is intuitive. The unit supports firmware updates via USB, ensuring longevity and future compatibility. If there's any drawback, it's the relatively bulky form factor compared to smaller 5-inch units. However, for riders who prioritize visibility and screen real estate, the Wansidary W722 delivers premium value. It's ideal for touring or adventure riders who demand a large, bright, and feature-rich display that won't let them down in harsh conditions. Number 3. Sunwear Portable Motorcycle CarPlay. The Sunwear motorcycle display is a compact yet highly capable 5-inch touchscreen unit that brings Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality to nearly any motorcycle without breaking the bank. Designed with practicality and ruggedness in mind, it features an IPX7 waterproof rating, ensuring dependable operation even in heavy rain or muddy conditions, perfect for commuters, tourers, and adventure riders alike. The display itself is bright, crisp, and easily visible under direct sunlight, while its glove-friendly touchscreen remains responsive even when you're wearing thicker riding gloves. Wireless Android Auto connectivity works seamlessly, giving riders instant access to Google Maps, Waze, Spotify, and calls without fumbling with their phone. The interface is clean and straightforward, and setup is refreshingly simple. Bluetooth pairing and configuration can be completed in under a minute. The included mounting kit is sturdy and adjustable, allowing flexible positioning on various handlebar styles, and the power supply options, USB or 12-volt line, make installation equally convenient for DIY setups. In everyday use, the Sunwear display delivers smooth performance with minimal lag, and the built-in microphone offers surprisingly clear voice pickup for hands-free calls. Its audio output integrates well with helmet intercoms and Bluetooth headsets, ensuring that music and navigation prompts come through cleanly. While it lacks premium extras like integrated dashcam recording, ambient light sensors, or a higher refresh rate, its focus on simplicity and reliability pays off. The rugged construction and waterproofing make it a trustworthy companion for all-weather riders who value function over flash. Ultimately, the Sunwear 5-inch motorcycle display is a well-balanced, budget-friendly device that enhances your ride with essential smart features, stable connectivity, and impressive durability, all in a compact, thoughtfully engineered package that just works. Number 2. Wanvong 5-inch Motorcycle CarPlay GPS. The Wanvong 5-inch motorcycle display is designed for riders seeking full Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality in a compact, affordable package. Its small footprint makes it easy to mount on virtually any handlebar, and its simple design keeps the focus on usability rather than bulk. The 5-inch HD screen offers crisp visuals and decent brightness, allowing easy visibility during daytime rides. Wireless connectivity for Android Auto and CarPlay works smoothly once paired, giving access to essential apps like maps, calls, and streaming music. Audio routes clearly through Bluetooth to compatible helmet systems, and touch response remains consistent even when wearing light gloves. The setup process is straightforward, with included hardware and power wiring designed for quick installation. Performance is solid for everyday use, although more demanding riders may notice slight lag when multitasking or running multiple background apps. The unit doesn't include extra features such as cameras or advanced sensors, but its simplicity contributes to overall reliability. Waterproofing and vibration resistance are adequate for commuting and touring, though long-term exposure to harsh weather may shorten its lifespan. Overall, the Wanvong 5-inch display delivers excellent value for riders who just want Android Auto and CarPlay without unnecessary extras. It's a clean, efficient, and user-friendly way to bring modern navigation and media integration to any motorcycle, ideal for daily commuting or weekend rides. Number 1. Carpuride W603D Motorcycle CarPlay Screen. The Carpuride W603D stands out as a feature-rich motorcycle display that redefines what riders can expect from a modern cockpit upgrade. Designed for both functionality and durability, it combines navigation, safety recording, and smart connectivity into one compact yet powerful device. Its 6.3-inch high-definition touchscreen is among the largest in its category, offering crisp visuals and excellent touch responsiveness even while wearing gloves. The screen maintains strong readability under sunlight, and its automatic brightness adjustment ensures optimal visibility during day and night rides. With an IP67 waterproof rating and a rugged anti-vibration mount, the W603D is built to endure the rigors of touring, rough terrain, and unpredictable weather. One of its biggest advantages is the inclusion of dual 1080p cameras that record simultaneously from the front and rear, providing continuous looped footage for enhanced safety and evidence in case of incidents. It supports both wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing riders to access GPS navigation, calls, messages, and music without fumbling with their phones. The addition of a wired remote control means you can safely navigate menus or switch functions while keeping your hands on the handlebars. And Bluetooth pairing with helmet intercom systems remains stable across rides. Voice assistant integration works smoothly, further reducing distractions. Though the system occasionally shows a brief lag during startup and can experience slight visibility drop-off under intense direct sunlight, these are minor trade-offs for an otherwise premium experience. In everyday use, the W603D delivers seamless connectivity, solid video quality, and a refined interface that feels intuitive and robust. For touring enthusiasts, commuters, or tech-savvy riders, this display offers an ideal blend of safety, convenience, and entertainment, making the Carpuride W603D one of the most complete and dependable motorcycle smart displays available in 2025.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.